Okay, so today I'm going to be installing a horn on my lawnmower. So here is the horn that I'm going to be installing. It's a 12-volt one. And I'm going to be using the ignition switch for the blade deck that I've taken off, because it's already set up. So that's it there. I just unplug it and get a wire to run from there to the front of the mower. And I'm going to attach this, and the bracket, a bracket goes on that. I'll get that there. So that's it there. Bracket goes on there. Nut to do it. So how it's going to go is like that, and it screws on. Capiche? I actually changed my mind. I'm going to put it there, because what's going to happen is I'm going to install it there. Then next one I'm going to put the bonnet down, then it's going to be chopped up in this. Well, not chopped up, it'll get hit by that. And that spins around because of the motor. So I'm going to put it there. Bro. It's on there. Okay, it's on there. Now to do the wiring. So there it is there. Installed, ready to go. Now I just need to wire it up to the battery, which is right there, which is good. That makes everything easy. So I'm not running wires across the place. But after I do that, I need to install, if you can see it, a new screw there, because my seat is coming off. Install the new screw. I did that for the fuel tank. Makeshift fuel tank. It's holding in pretty good. I just had to weld that back up once. Other than that, it's been good. And my start motor's stuffed too, so how I start it is I put it back up into the starter motor, then turn it over. It works, but a bit tad dodgy. That's my light, that's my charger from the engine. It should just come out. I need a flathead. There we go. Okay. Fuck. Oh, what's going to happen here? Okay, so cut that cable tie. Take that off. Okay, that's off. Okay, so what's going on here? Okay, now we got access. Okay. Pliers. Cut that off because we don't need that. Okay, there it is. Okay, so now that's cut off. Give it a bit extra. Oh, you bastard. That was gonna happen, wasn't it? Who cares? Okay, stuff it. What am I doing here? Get a bit of access here. Okay, strip that back a bit if I can. Fuck off, blood. Okay. Okay, that's one. Okay. I'm guessing red is positive and purple is negative, which is sort of an obvious. See, now I'm going to get some clips to slide over the top of that. So that actually might reach. It does reach. So I'll get some clips to slide over the top of that to go onto the horn. Eesh. So here I've just adapted these two things to go onto the horn. So I'll hook them up now. One, two. So that's on. Now to hook this up, this one up to the switch and this one up to the battery. So this one here is going to be the one going to the battery, so there's always live current there. Then the switch, this one will be hooked up to the switch, and I'll give it a bit of squirt to get it going. That's going. Then put that on and do the squeezy thing. There you go, it's one. And that'll just go onto the battery. And this one needs one. It needs one of these dudes to go on here. And you got this one. It's going to be a different fitting. So that one for the battery, this one for the switch, which is here. So yeah, it's got the prongy things. So that goes on there. Alright. It's crimped on. So let's put that onto the battery. Now to hook it up to the battery. Owie. Okay, so now that the things are intact, now to give it a go. That's power. Okay. Here comes nothing working. So here I didn't hook up a negative to the battery, so that's why the horn isn't working at the moment. How come this is not working? Okay, so you got power there. I'm already there. So what we're doing is waiting. We need a negative charge. Don't we? We need a negative charge. Okay, so now that I've got everything hooked up, ready to go. Now it's a bit sketch wiring, but it'll do the job, I reckon. Let's give it a go. She works. Bloody hell, that's loud. Okay, so now I'm going to be doing the seat. A bit loose, so I'll do it now. Okay, that's the bar. There goes the seat. That's in there. Won't be going too far. As you do. I'll put the pin back through. It's a bit of copper. Gobble gobble. You bastard. You dirty prick. Copper always comes in handy. So I'm going to pack up now. That will be it for this video anyway. So I've got two things done. The seat, the horn on this side, the horn, wiring that up and getting it going. Well, yes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the future videos that I make.